In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude AI overview. We'll walk through getting set up, starting your first conversations, working with files and models, organizing longer initiatives, enabling helpful memory, and understanding the core things Claude does best. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Claude efficiently and confidently. First, head to claud.ai. Create an account using your email or a Google sign-in, then complete the quick verification step to secure your access. Verification helps unlock features and protects your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean chat interface designed for fast, focused interactions. Start by using the chat box like you would message a colleague. Be clear about your goal, share relevant context, and when it helps, specify the format you want back, such as an outline, a summary, or bullet points. You can ask Claude to iterate, refine tone, or expand details. The more specific your instructions, the better the output will fit your needs. When you're ready to include reference material, use the plus button to attach files. This is ideal for PDFs, images, spreadsheets, or documents you want Claude to analyze or summarize. Keep in mind that clearer files and well-structured documents lead to more reliable results. Alongside files, choose the model that best matches your task. Opus for the most complex reasoning and depth, Sonnet for a strong balance of quality and speed, and Haiku for fast, lightweight work. If you're unsure, start with Sonnet and switch as the task demands. For ongoing work, set up projects. Projects help you group related chats, files, and instructions under one roof so your context stays organized over time. Give each project a clear name, add its key documents, and include a short description with any standing guidance you want Claude to follow. This keeps long-running efforts consistent and focused. Next, enable memory to store useful preferences and recurring context, like your writing style, units of measure, or common constraints. You're always in control. Review, edit, or clear memory at any time. Avoid saving sensitive personal data here. Treat memory as a tool for convenience and consistency, not as a vault. Finally, explore Claude's key capabilities. For writing and editing, Claude can draft, tighten prose, adapt tone, and create structured outlines. For coding, it explains concepts, writes snippets, and helps debug with clear reasoning. For visual analysis, it can interpret images, diagrams, and screenshots to extract insights or describe content. And with skill creation, you can define repeatable behaviors like a house style or workflow, so Claude reliably performs tasks your way. That's the foundation. With these steps, you're ready to make Claude a dependable partner for everyday work and deep projects alike.